Good evening from downtown Sevierville. We are here to check out the Christmas decorations. I'm going to walk around and see what we can find. We are over here at the Bruce Street gazebo. Cool decorations here. Here is a reindeer. Doesn't look like Rudolph because it doesn't have the red nose. And there is Saint Nick himself. And check this out. Let's walk over and see the gazebo. Standing here inside the gazebo, have some garland and some red and white Christmas lights. And over at the butterfly on the wall there, have some Christmas trees as well. And if you're not overly familiar with this area, we are right across from the Buffalo Breakfast Company. Right here at the gazebo on Bruce. The Sevier County Heritage Museum is looking great. And check these lights out. This is awesome. And we have made our way over to the Dolly statue. Wanted to come check out the tree here. Very beautiful. Get a little closer here and look at some of the ornaments. Very shiny. Even got an elf here. And of course, we are also here in front of the courthouse. Have some lights on the railing there. Take a closer look here at the bows and the lights. Beautiful. All right, so hope you all enjoyed our look at downtown. We are going to see what we can get into next. And surprise, so we are over at Dollywood now, decided to come over and we're just going to be here for a little while, but what I wanted to do is make a video. We're going to show you Timber Canyon and Wildwood Grove for Christmas time. And we're also going to see Snow in the Grove as well as the merry and bright fireworks. So stay tuned for that and see it for yourself. Starting to make our way up into Timber Canyon. Let's head into Glacier Ridge. We are over here at Dropline Bay. Show you the polar bears. Got a few trees back that way, another polar bear. Come over to the other side of Dropline. Another polar bear, a few more trees. And there's the Dropline. Going all the way up. making our way up toward the Mystery Mine. And just as a reminder, this ride is down for maintenance for the rest of 2025, but the outside is still decorated nicely. Take a look at Buzz here. I think Buzz is in hibernation. And here is the sign letting you know that Mystery Mine is closed for the season. Another look at the lights on Mystery Mine. All right, let's head into Wildwood Grove, checking out the archway that would take you over toward Wilderness Pass. All right, let's head through the passageway here. Let's go left. Always enjoy coming over and looking at the Wildwood sign. Got some pink, purplish blue lights here. And just across from that is Till and Harvest. This is the restaurant here in Wilderness Pass. Okay, so this must be new, or at least new for us. We haven't been here in a few weeks, but spotted this right beside the Acorn Ride. So yeah, this is a pretty nice addition. Love it. Let's check out the waterfall here at Big Bear Mountain as we make our way over to Wildwood Creek. Nice. Wasn't expecting that. All right, so we are over here at the bridge, looking at the Wildwood tree. Got just a few minutes before the show start, but not hardly anyone up here. It is a Friday night, not the warmest night. It's about 40 degrees, but that's probably keeping a few folks away. So yeah, we're gonna get ready to see some snow and see some fireworks. All right, so just a few more minutes until the show begins. So that is the next thing you will see. First some snow, then some fireworks will light up the sky for Christmas here at Dollywood.
We are so thankful you chose to spend your evening here with us at Dollywood. There's a special feeling in the air this time of year. We hope you enjoy the beautiful lights, meeting all of our wonderful friends, and of course, the snow. Welcome to Snow in the Grove.
In a clearing deep in the forest, under the mist of the beautiful Smoky Mountains, grows the ancient wildwood tree. Perched on a mighty stone base with roots that reach deep into the earth, it spreads its branches wide. Winter mornings, when the songbirds and winter butterflies rise with the dawn, the mountains come to life with the love and laughter of families, celebrating this most special time of the year. In the grove, snow-covered branches, silvery icicles, and the sound of sleigh bells make a postcard-perfect background. While at home, we cover our trees with colorful lights as the smell of sugar cookies and the music of the season fills the air. And as the stars come out for the night and the moon climbs high, little ones give in to sleepy Christmas dreams. And we know that soon enough the sun will rise and we'll celebrate a day filled with joy. The next morning, love and laughter, surprise and delight all seem to arrive wrapped in bright, shiny paper. And sparkly-eyed children are tickled that their dreams came true, while special memories are made for moms and dads too. You see, there's really nothing quite like being home for Christmas. So trim the tree, wrap the presents, turn the Christmas music on. I'll be home with bells on. And once on a very special night, when a single star shone true and bright, angels proclaimed a wondrous sight, and the world was filled with love. We hope the spirit of the season rings out loud and clear and becomes part of your heart song forever.
We hope you enjoyed Snow in the Grove. Please join us in a few moments for a fireworks spectacular, merry and bright.
Okay, so about those fireworks. Before I show them to you, be forewarned that we've been doing a lot of Christmas vlogging and probably wasn't the best decision to come when it's foggy. What you're going to see is probably more of like a, Bree, how would you even describe that? Like, it's more of like a
green and pink lightning.
Green and pink lightning. Okay, yeah, that's probably fair. So there might be a few good clips. Obviously, I just shot it, so I haven't had a chance to look at it. But if there are better clips, I'll certainly throw them in. But yeah, I'm going to chalk that up to just me being so busy with the other vlogs that made a poor decision on which night to come. So sorry about that. But we will try our best to get back here. Before Christmas, probably not going to happen. Might be able to get back after Christmas before the year's over, so we will try our best. Do not hold us to that. But anyway, we're going to show you what we just saw. So enjoy the best you can.
Welcome to Merry and Bright, Dollywood's brand new holiday fireworks spectacular. The fun begins now.
All right, and that is going to do it for our video here at Dollywood, as well as a little bit of downtown Sevierville. Hope you enjoyed it. We appreciate you guys following along with us tonight, and always hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you all have a blessed day. We have been blessed to bring this video to you, and we still have plenty more to go for the Christmas season and beyond. So have a great night, and we will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.